sobrang kinabahan ako. Kasi hanggang ngayon, tumataas pa yung balahibo ko sa stories ni Jeno. No? But just a quick closing, and thank you for inspiring us, Jeno. You make us proud to be Filipino. Not only for the achievement itself, which is already amazing and epic, being part of a very elite group, no? Ilan tao lang ba yung makasabing nakarating nila sa pinakamataas na tuktok ng mundo. Not only for the achievement, no, but for showing us the dream and how to face the journey. And that the way to get to the top is really through hard work every day. Yung hindi nakikita ng mga tao, no? The discipline and the sacrifice na kailangan. Century believes na hindi lang sa resulta yung tagumpay, no? We believe it's also in the daily grind to get there. Yung hindi nakikita and yung sa'yo lang talaga, and your commitment towards your goal. So lahat tayo may gustong gawing imposible, no? I think anyone, if you're honest with yourself right now, meron akong goal next year na alam ko medyo di ako sigurado kung kaya kong gawin. Whether it's love life, whether it's career, whether it's physical, you name it, meron tayong mga ganyan, di ba? Kahit na hindi kasing extreme nung kay Jeno, no? Pero parang imposible pa rin para sa atin. But Jeno, thanks for inspiring every Filipino with your climb, na lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang Everest, and you showed us na kaya natin harapin even the most impossible of obstacles with hard work and the support of friends. Thanks for reminding us na if you have a body, you have a journey, and that all we need to do is to be willing to go through that journey, and that Century will be there for you and for all your efforts. So on behalf of Century, thanks for being a super bod, Jeno, and we will be praying for continued success and guidance for all your future journey. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.